श्रीशुक उवाच विद्राविते भूतगणेज्वरस्तु त्रिशिरास्त्रिपान् महादेव प्रयुक्तोऽसौ घोररूपो विभीषणः अभ्यपच्यत दाशार्णं दहन्निवदिशो दश अविर्बभूव पुरतः समरे शाङ्घरधन्वना अथ नारायणो देवस्तं दृष्ट्वा व्यसृजज्वरम् महेश्वरो वैष्णवच्च ययदाहे ज्वरावुभौ महेश्वरः समाक्रन्दद्वैष्णवेन बलार्थितः अलब्ध्वा भयमन्यत्र भीतो महेश्वरो ज्वरः शरणार्थीन् ऋषिकेकं तुष्टाव प्रयताञ्जलि। नमामि त्वानन्तशक्तिं परेशं सर्वात्मानं केवलं ज्ञप्तिमात्रं विश्वोत्पत्तिस्थानसंरोधहेतुं यद्ब्रह्म ब्रह्मलिङ्गं प्रशान्तं कालो दैवं कर्म जीवस्वभावो द्रव्यं क्षेत्रं प्राण आत्मा विकारः तत्सज्जो बीजरोह प्रवाहस्त्वन्मायैषातं निषेधं प्रपद्ये नानाभावै लीलयैवोपपन्नै देवान् साधून् लोकसेतून् बिभर्षिः हंसिन्माघान् हिंसया वर्तमानान् जन्मैतत्ते भारहराय भूमे तप्तोऽहं तेजेजसा दुस्सहेन शान्तोग्रेण जल्बडेन ज्वरेण तावत्तापो देहिनां तेज्रिमूलं नो सेवेरन्यावदाशानुबन्धः। श्री भगवान् वासुदेव उवाच त्रिशर्यस्ते प्रसन्नोऽहं वेतु ते मज्वराद्भयं यो नौ स्मरति संवादं तस्य त्वं न भवेद्भयम् इत्युक्तोच्युतमाङ्घ्रियगतो महेश्वरो ज्वरः इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे दशमस्कन्धे त्रिषष्टितमाध्याये उषापरिणयावसरे भानवासुदेव युद्धगट्टे ज्वरादि सकलापन्निवारकस्तोत्रं समाप्तम्। ज्वरहरस्तोत्रं श्रीशुक उवाच विद्राविते भूत घने ज्वरस्तु धृशिरास्त्रिपात् महादेव प्रयुक्तोऽसौ घोररूपो विभीषणः अभ्यपद्यत दाशार्णं दहन्निवदिशो दश आविर्बभूव पुरतः समरे शाङ्घरधन्वनः अथ नारायणो देवस्तं दृष्ट्वा व्यसृजज्वरम् महेश्वरो वैष्णवच्च ययुदाते ज्वरावुभौ महेश्वरः समाक्रन्दद्वैष्णवेन बलार्धितः अलब्ध्वा भयमन्यत्र भीतो महेश्वरो ज्वरः शरणार्थीन् ऋषिकेशं तुष्टाव प्रयताञ्जलि। ज्वर उवाच नमामि त्वानन्तशक्तिं परेशं सर्वात्मानं केवलं ज्ञप्तिमात्रं विश्वोत्पत्ति उत्पत्तिस्थान संरोध हेतुम यत्तद्ब्रह्म ब्रह्मलिंगं प्रशांतं कालो दैवं कर्म जीव स्वभावो द्रव्यं क्षेत्रं प्राण आत्मा विकारः तत्सज्जौतो बीजारोह प्रवाहस्त्वन्मायैषातं निषेधं प्रपद्ये नानाभावै लीलै ओपपन्नै देवान् साधून् लोक सेतून् बिभर्षिः हंस्युन्माघान् हिंसया वर्तमानान् जन्मैतत्ते भार हराय भूमेः तप्तोऽहं ते तेजासौ दुस्सहेन शान्तोग्रेण त्युल्बलेन ज्वरेण तावत्तापो देहिनां तेज्विमूलं नो सेवेर न्यावदाशानुबन्धः ॐ श्री भगवान् वासुदेव उवाच त्रिशिरस्ते प्रसन्नोऽहं वेतु ते मज्वराद्भयं यो नौ स्मरति संवादं तस्य त्वं न भवेद्भयम् इत्युक्तोऽच्युतमामन्त्रे गतो महेश्वरो ज्वरः इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे दशमस्कन्धे त्रिषष्टितमाध्याये उषापरिणयावसरे भानवासुदेवयुद्धघट्टे ज्वरादिसकलापन्निवारकस्तोत्रं समाप्तम् भवतु ज्वरं विमुक्तम् सर्वरोगं सर्वव्याधि निवारणं यत् स्तोत्रं पठेत्. So what I read is today, the shloka is, it is from Purana Srimad Bhagavate Mahapurane Dashamaskandhe 10th chapter Trishashtita 63 chapter 63rd chapter Adhyaye Usha Parinayavasare. That is the year, that is the day, year where Usha Parvati is getting married. Bhanavasudeva Yuddhagate. A war was going on between the Vasudeva, means a reign between good, so a Ishvara, an entity of the Vishnu, and between a Asura called Bhana. So the fight is going on between them. And during that fight, Jvaradi Sakala Pannivaraka Stotram Samapta. There, so one got a fever. Serious fever came, and while war is going on, the war of COVID came. Pandemic is a war, and in that war everyone is dying. And how to protect one from that war? A biological war. In that biological war, and everyone, and the fever is Tivra, means so serious, so serious, so serious. Then Shukacharya, Buddha's epitome of the wisdom, Shukacharya, who has given all this, and a rishi explaining, if at all in future any time, again in such a pandemics come, like now, he is explaining once upon a time, he is explaining when it happened. Who? Shukacharya. Vidravite bhutagane jvarastu trishirastripat mahadev prayuktasau ghora rupo vibhishanah. I already read all this. He is explaining. He is speaking the Maheshwara, Ishvara, between Shiva and the fever. Fever is a goddess. Fever is not a god. Fever is a goddess. And Ishvara asked, hey, goddess, what happened to you? Why are you making them suffer? Hey, goddess fever, keep quiet, please. Alabdhva bhayamanyatra bhito maheshwaro jvarah sharanardhin rishikekam tushtava prayatanjali. And the fever came shivering because master is calling. Oh my God, why are you behaving like this? Have I created you for this? And it came. Fever came, COVID virus came, shivering. My God. And then it is telling, so I won't affect anyone utters your word. Anyone follows dharma, anyone follows clean mind, clean body, I won't affect. The one who is having bad habits, he himself is a virus. He will eat away other people. That's why I will only attack on those people who are like a virus. I will not attack on a people who are not virus. Who are not virus. Jvara uvacha, the goddess fever told, sir, what I have to do, sir? You have created me and where I have to attack. But now I see all these people have become virus, eating one on the other way. A fellow human creed eating away another human, sir. A father eating away consumer mentality towards his own son, sir. And a partner having consumer mentality and he is getting married with a consumer mentality, sir, his own partner, sir. Everyone, what is this virus? We have not created. A human is not a virus, sir. He is supposed to be a human, but they forgot. They are becoming a virus. So whenever they become a virus, what I have to do? My job is to control the virus, because virus will kill everything, entire existence, sir. It will affect us also. That's why I am attacking. Jvara uvacha. Jvara said like this. This is what I am chanting. Namamitvananta shaktim paresham sarvatmanam kevalam jnapti matram. O Lord, you know everything. You are epitome of the energy, epitome of the singularity, O Lord. Vishwotpattisthana samrodha hetum yat brahmalingam prashantam. The world, hey Lord, you belong to singularity. We belong to duality. You know, from where the disease origined, I am born, and when this entropy is born, you have created me, God. Kalo daivam karma jiva svabhavo dravyam kshetram prana atma vikaraha. Because of impurity, my mental reactions, bad reactions, time is created, and karma, jiva svabhava, he started doing virus. He is not doing any good, he started doing bad. Dravyam kshetram, he converting everyone into corporate business, everyone into consumer, eating away. Prana atma vikaraha, and it acquired all the vikaras and all, they were ugly. Tatsanjau tatsannauto bijaroha pravahastvanmai shatam nishedham prapadhye. What is not supposed to be done is done by these people. नानाभावै लीलहै ओपपन्नै देवान् साधून् लोकसेतुन् बिभर्षिः, in order to protect the good people. Rishis. Hansunmagan himsaya vartamanan, whoever is doing himsa, violation, killing, eating mercilessly, rabbits, goats, and chicken, and he doesn't any animal even which is not prepared for his eating, and is killing and eating. Understand? And this is all non-veg created. This is. If world only stops non-vegetarian, why this coronavirus will come? Tell me. And a species which not supposed to be eaten. A human has gone insane, sir. A human has gone insane. He is eating what he is not supposed to eat. A tiger eats what it is supposed to eat. A lion eats what it is supposed to eat. A whale will eat what it is supposed to eat. A fish will eat what it is supposed to eat. But this human has become so insane, and he is eating what is created him. Hansinmahan himsaya vartamanan janmai tatte bharaharaya bhumehi. This earth is suffering, sir. He is eating away. What created him, sir? Problem is, because of him, every human species will be extinct, sir. What I have to do? Why am I ruining? Why COVID-19 is telling? Why am I created? Why am I killing you? Tattoham te tejasa dussahena shanto grenadhyalbhavnena jvarena. My job is, Lord, you have created me only to do your job. A small job of you. That's why whichever the people who are eating like this, I am attacking on them. Tavattapo dehinante nghrimulam no se neranyavada shanubandha. I won't attack. The one who respects you means the one who follows the constitution, the one who follows the laws of nature, the one who has clean habits, the one who is a good person, I won't attack. If I don't eliminate this bad person, and this good person will be eliminated, sir. That's why I am eliminating the people having the virus mentality. But, sir, if one understands this shloka, as I am saying, I won't affect them. Sri Bhagavan Vasudeva Uvacha. The Vasudeva, the Krishna, explaining what the conversation between the Shiva, Ishvara and the Jvara. Vasudeva is telling. Trishiraste prasannoham vedute majvarat bhayam. Whoever understands this, the conversations between the Shiva and the fever, whoever understands, they will not be affected. Do you know? And it is not Shiva is telling, it is not the Jvara is telling, I am telling you. Vishnu is telling. And Krishna is telling. Trishiraste prasannoham vedute majvarat bhayam. Yonau smarati samvadam tasyatvan nabhavet bhayam. Whoever knows this story, why virus is created, why pandemic is created, why one is suffering from a fever, a serious fever, like a typhoid fever, like a swine flu fever, like dengue fever, like malaria fever, it is at the time when you have this respiratory syndrome fever, flu fever, and this is what you need to understand. Whoever understands this logic and whoever becomes good person, I am not going to affect them. The fever god is not going to affect them. And Krishna is explaining, or Vasudeva is explaining. Yonau smarati samvadam. The discussions between these two, one has to hear. Tvanna bhaved bhayam. I can tell you 100% it is my protection, it is my assurance that person will not be affected by COVID virus anymore. Ityuktochyutama mantra gato maheshwaro jvaraha. It is a very powerful mantra given by Ishvara. Maheshwaro jvaraha. Anyone having serious fever, and this will help, this will definitely protect. The one who is chanting has that power, and the one who is healthy, the one who is not doing any sin, when he chants this, it will work. It will work. For you to chant this, you will be like that. For you to be protected like this, and only listen to the one and who realizes that, who is healthy, who is not sick, and who is good, who has not harmed any being, and then it will work. Iti Srimad-Bhagavate Mahapurane Dashamaskandhe Trishashtitamajyaye Usha Parinaya Vasare Bhana Vasudeva Yuddhagatte Jvaradi Sakala Panyavaraka Stotram Samaptam. When this story is heard, at the time of the war and in the wedding, everyone is came for the wedding, everyone fell sick. And then everyone realized their folly. And after listening to this conversation, the fever, the pandemic is completely gone. The pandemic is completely eliminated, and it got contented, the fever goddess. He said, now onwards, these people are going to be, good people. They are not going to become virus. They are not going to eat whatever it is not supposed to be eaten. Whatever they are supposed to be drinking, they are not supposed to be drinking.